New tonight from Lincoln County, a word of warning. It's best not to bring your assault rifle into a gas station. Matthew Ripple fired his assault rifle twice outside a Casey's General store. No one was hit, but deputies say he walked into that store with the rifle. It set off panic at the business in Ellsbury. Witnesses say Ripple also had a 14-year-old boy with him when he walked in shouting. He claimed people were trying to kill both of them.